Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we're taking you on a journey into something bold, powerful, and truly unique: the Kenworth Motorhome 2026. Known around the world for building some of the most durable and commanding trucks on the road, Kenworth has taken its legendary strength and engineering expertise and applied it to the world of motorhomes. The result is a machine that blends heavy-duty toughness with modern luxury, creating a motorhome that feels unstoppable on the open road. The exterior of the Kenworth Motorhome 2026 is an instant head-turner. From the front, it carries the unmistakable Kenworth truck DNA with a towering grille, bold chrome accents, and integrated LED headlights that provide a futuristic yet rugged presence. Its massive stance gives it the authority of a truck, while the carefully sculpted body brings smooth aerodynamic efficiency. Along the sides, large tinted panoramic windows offer passengers breathtaking views, and built-in storage compartments are cleverly integrated into the design. On top, roof-mounted solar panels help power your off-grid lifestyle, while retractable awnings extend to create shaded outdoor spaces wherever you park. This is not just a motorhome, it's a moving fortress designed for comfort and adventure. Stepping inside, the Kenworth Motorhome 2026 redefines expectations. The cabin is crafted to feel like a modern luxury apartment, blending high-end finishes with the practicality that long journeys demand. The living area offers wide plush seating with modular arrangements that can convert into extra beds. Soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting give the space a premium and relaxing atmosphere. The kitchen is built with serious travelers in mind, equipped with a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and ample counter space. Every inch of storage has been optimized, allowing you to bring everything you need while keeping the space uncluttered. The bedroom is where comfort takes center stage. A full-sized memory foam bed, panoramic side windows, and advanced climate controls make sure you rest as if you were at home, no matter where the road takes you. Additional fold-down beds and optional pop-up roof sleeping quarters make it easy for families to travel together. The bathroom is compact but feels surprisingly upscale, featuring a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and eco-friendly water-saving technology that ensures you can stay off-grid longer without sacrificing comfort. When it comes to performance, Kenworth delivers exactly what you would expect from a name trusted in trucking for nearly a century. The Kenworth Motorhome 2026 is available with both a powerful diesel hybrid engine and a fully electric drivetrain option. The diesel hybrid combines muscle with fuel efficiency, offering long-range capability for cross-country trips, while the electric model provides instant torque and a smooth, whisper-quiet ride. All-wheel drive comes standard, supported by an adaptive suspension system that ensures stability and comfort whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating challenging back roads. Despite its size, the motorhome handles with surprising ease, reflecting Kenworth's expertise in engineering vehicles that work as hard as they inspire. Technology plays a huge role in this new design. The cockpit features a fully digital driver display, large infotainment system, advanced navigation optimized for motorhome travel, and full wireless connectivity. Driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system all make handling this large vehicle far less intimidating. Off-grid features are just as impressive. Solar panels, large onboard batteries, and optional wind turbine integration allow extended stays away from campsites. Combined with water recycling systems, this makes the Kenworth Motorhome 2026 a true choice for adventurers who want independence and sustainability. Pricing is expected to start around $160,000 for the hybrid version, while the fully electric luxury edition with all available options could approach $210,000. For what it delivers, unmatched durability, performance, and living comfort, the Kenworth Motorhome 2026 represents excellent value